Hi, this is Busy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open threads from WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Threads is a new app built by the Instagram team. People can log in with their Instagram account to share text updates and participate in public discussion. The app allows you to create posts up to 500 characters in length, with the option to include links, photos, carousels, and videos up to 5 minutes long. And did you know that you can open your Threads app from your WhatsApp? How to do it so simple. So first you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is on the latest version. You can check on your App Store and Play Store to check your WhatsApp. If there is an option to update, you can update it first. After that, you can open your WhatsApp. You can tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Here, you can scroll down on the settings section. There is an option like open Instagram, open Facebook, and open threads. As you can see, there's an open threads. You can tap on that. If you tap on the open threads, so you will be automatically going to your threads profile. So simple, right? So anytime when you open your WhatsApp and you want to go, or you want to open your threads, but you want maybe you're too lazy to close your WhatsApp, you can just open your settings section on WhatsApp and open threads. Not only threads, you can also open like your Facebook and Instagram through your WhatsApp. It's so simple, right? So that is how to open threads from your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!